We've got MotoGP in Germany, KTM pulling an Uno reverse, and Goodwood coming to America? This and everything else you missed this week in motorcycles and motorsports, let's just get into it.
We're going to Germany for this week's MotoGP. This is round 11, so we're officially halfway through. We've got Jorge Martin in first, but followed very closely, as a matter of fact, by 7 points by Bezzecchi, so could be anyone's race, frankly. I guess we'll have to watch and find out.
Now we've got a juicy story for you. Maverick Viñales says that KTM sent him a contract. He signed it, sent it back, and they pulled an Uno reverse and said, "Nuh-uh, we're taking this right back." Kind of a dick move.
Now, somebody that KTM did not pull an Uno reverse card on was Alex Marquez. He's officially confirmed for 2027, racing for the boys in orange. There's still a lot of seats up for grabs, which kind of leads to chaos in the paddock, but it is sure fun to watch.
Now, if you remember to last week's news, we talked about Volkswagen threatening to sell Ducati. But thankfully, the Ducati CEO came out and said that this poses no threat to Ducati's presence on the MotoGP track. Thank goodness we'll still have those Ducati engines and those fast-ass bikes on the track because they're a sight to see.
Norton confirms the specs for the new Manx RV4 with a starting price of £20,250. Taking a page out of Ducati's book, I guess, but pretty cool to see the British manufacturer coming out with a superbike, or the superbike. I'm excited to see it. We're gonna have to wait and watch.
Big news, we all know Goodwood, and they are coming stateside to the sunny state of California next year to announce the launch of their Road Racing Club of America. I definitely think I need to go to that.
Headed over to F1 where we've got a big rumor. Supposedly Max Verstappen is in talks about moving to McLaren. What? Yeah, I know, it would be crazy. The big question is, who loses their seat? Honestly, probably not going to be the current world champion, so yikes for Oscar.
Thanks for watching this week's Riders Club Roundup. Question for you, do we think Marc Marquez is going to win this weekend? I don't know, he's kind of a speedy boy. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next week.